All right, here we go. Very last video lesson of the year. And it's probably going to be the easiest and shortest one. Um, so let's do this real quick. It's the last two problems in this packet that says random curves. This one, it says r equals 2. So you basically want to get every point on the polar coordinate system that's 2 units from the origin. Well, really, it's just the second circle. So if r equals 2, it's just this right here. This is all you're doing. Just highlight. See, it's a perfect circle, and I can even screw that up. I can't even trace it. That's it. Oh, you're just tracing that second circle. So I can't do it when I get to here. Oh, man. It's been a long 3 months here. If it said r equals 5, you just trace the fifth circle. That's it. Another way of looking at it is if you had, remember r squared? Remember r squared equals x squared plus y squared? So if I put this in rectangular form, if I square both sides, I would get r squared to equal 4. So you would have 4 equals x squared plus y squared. And that's what we just graphed. It's a circle. The origin is the center, and it has a radius of 2. All right, very last one. This is where we only have theta. What's going to happen with this one is you're only going to get a line. So if you wanted to pick all the points so that basically r can be anything, but the angle always has to be 3 pi over 4. So if I go to this, I could pick all of these points. Right? Even though the r changes, the angle is still the same. So it's just going to give us a line. Now I can extend this to 7 pi over 4. You might be saying, well, that's a different angle. But if you make r negative and you use the angle 7 pi over 4, it's really going back to this angle right there. All right. So I could say, if I did 7 pi over 4, if I did this point, I could say that, that's what r is. I could say that that's at the second circle. I could say it's negative 2, 3 pi over 4. All right, so that's why this line is going to extend. So here, I could say the angle's to 3 pi over 4, but r is negative. And we would just get this. Again, I'm having even a hard time just tracing here. All right, so like I said, they're very, very simple. If you just have r equals a number, you're just tracing a circle. If you have theta equals 3 pi over 4, you're just tracing that line that goes through the origin. All right, very last video. Hopefully that was very, very simple for you.